Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off media previews on your account on X Twitter, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings and privacy. Now click accessibility display in languages and now click display, and here as you will find it media previews. Just click on it like this and it will be turned off. And that's it for today. That's how to turn off media previews, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.